Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.18.2, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English listening and reading comprehension via 3 of our conversation topics for English learners activities. Okay, so first part, you watch the video, so you click play. Today's conversation topic for English learners is Parents' Night Out. So you watch the video, then you read the text. After you read the text, you translate the text into your primary language. After you read it in your primary language, click on the American flag to go back to English. Then part 2, we do the same thing. You watch the video. You read the text in English. You translate the text into your primary language. You read the text in your primary language. Then you go back to English. And for part 3, again, you watch the video. You read the text in English. You translate the text into your primary language. You read the text in your primary language. Okay? And finally, you can leave a comment about what you learned and put your name and your email and click post comment, and this way we can respond back to you. Thank you very much for watching the preview of lesson 1.18.2. Please do your best completing this lesson.